I'm Kiranpreet Kaur from Makkar Isles, and today I have come up with another cue card which is there in the June to August 2020 list. Describe a volunteering experience you have had. A volunteer is a person who works without expecting anything back in return, without getting any money or any other form of remuneration for what he does. So, this is the volunteering experience cue card, what it was, where it was, why you volunteered, and how you felt about it. I have not had many volunteering experiences in my life, but recently I got an opportunity to volunteer and I really liked it. In March 2020, when the corona pandemic started in India, our Prime Minister ordered a complete lockdown in the whole of India. Many labor class people were jobless all of a sudden. These people depend on their daily earning for their living, and in one blow, their source of earning was gone. There is an NGO in my hometown which advertised through the local cable TV that they needed volunteers to provide food and other things of need to these workers. My friend and I decided to volunteer for this noble cause. We called the NGO and asked them where we had to come and what we had to do. They told us that either we could help with the cooking or we could help with the delivery of food packets. We volunteered for cooking as my parents were a bit skeptical about us going out for delivering food packets. We went for a whole month and cooked food for these laborers from morning till evening. Of course, we all took proper precautions and we were always masked. It was very tiring, but it gave us great happiness. I noticed that many people were donating things for these poor people. Every day I saw hundreds of packets of grocery and cooking oil there to give to the poor people who had suddenly lost their livelihood. For the first time, I realized that doing for others gives a lot of mental peace. I also realized that we keep cribbing for our problems, which are actually very small if we compare them to what so many around us are suffering from. I've started developing empathy for others. I feel very happy about it, and it has changed my perspective about life a lot. I have learned to value what I have and not crib for what I do not have. I remember that whole month when I used to come home. My mother made me go straight to the bathroom and take a bath before letting me in any other room. She also used to wash my clothes and mask immediately. In a way, my family also supported me for doing this volunteer work. So, this was the volunteering experience that I had recently. So, I hope you will like this idea. You can have many more ideas. You can like teach children of the slum areas. That is a volunteer work. You can do that every evening for 1 hour or 2 hours, and then you can help in the cleanliness of parks, cleaning of parks and all in your locality. That is also a volunteer work. So there are many others. You can go to a hospital and take care of the patients. You can go to an orphanage and distribute something. So these are all volunteer works, and there are many ideas. So you can elaborate on any one idea that suits you. So now I'll be discussing some follow-up questions of this. What qualities are required for being a volunteer? As such, no special qualities are needed to become a volunteer. The person should just be willing to provide his services without expecting anything back in return. It also depends upon the type of work. For example, a doctor can volunteer to provide his services free of cost. A teacher can volunteer to teach poor children free of cost. People can volunteer to do work like cleaning the parks or helping the poor people. What type of personality does a volunteer have? A volunteer have. A volunteer has a friendly personality. He is easily approachable by people. He always wears a smile on his face. He has good communication skills. So the question is not what kind of personality a volunteer should have, So if the word should is here, then the answer would be a volunteer should have a friendly personality. He should be easily approachable. But here the word should is not here. So what personality does he have? So I've just answered like that. How can companies engaging in volunteering help our society? Companies engaging in volunteering can help the society in many ways. They can help by providing funds to schools, hospitals, and in many other ways. They can also do tree plantation, which would go a long way in improving the environment. Do you think people nowadays should participate more in volunteering? Yes, I think people should volunteer more nowadays. As it is, people are leading self centered lives. So, by volunteering, they will be in touch with the community and it will give them a purpose in life. How do modern technologies assist volunteers and volunteering experiences? Modern technologies assist volunteers and volunteering experiences in a big way. First of all, through these technologies, young people come to know where they can go out for volunteering. Secondly, they can read out about the volunteering activities done by their favorite celebs and be motivated. Social networking sites can also help them to get them recognition for their volunteer work. So these are the few follow-ups that I could get hold of and the cue card. I hope you've liked the idea and the sample answers which I've made for the follow-up questions. Thank you very much for watching patiently and keep looking out for more such cue cards.